In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ClickUp tasks from new Google Forms responses. We'll set this up using Make, a visual automation platform that connects your favorite tools without code. The idea is simple. Every time someone submits your Google form, a new task appears in ClickUp. This keeps your team organized and saves you from manual data entry. Start by opening Make in your browser. Once you're on the dashboard, head straight to the Templates section. Templates are pre-built automations that you can use as a foundation, so you don't have to design a workflow from scratch. In the Templates page, use the search bar and type Google Forms. This narrows the results to automations that involve Google's Form tool. Click the Google Forms option to confirm you're looking at templates that specifically use that app. You'll notice the gallery now focuses on workflows triggered by new responses. Next, refine your results further by using the same search to look for ClickUp. Type ClickUp into the search bar, then select it. Now you're seeing templates that combine Google Forms with ClickUp, which is exactly what we want. From here, look for a template that creates a ClickUp task when a new Google Forms response is received. Click the template to open its details. You'll typically see a brief description, the apps involved, and a visual outline of the automation. This is a great moment to confirm the trigger says something like new response in Google Forms and the action says create task in ClickUp. The template page may also indicate what information moves from the form into the task, such as the respondent's answers populating the task name or description. If you see multiple variations of the template, click the one that fits your needs best. Some variations may be designed for different use cases or include additional logic. Choosing the right one helps you get closer to your ideal setup with minimal tweaks later. Once you've selected the template, Make will open it as a ready-to-configure scenario. From here, you'll be guided through connecting your Google and ClickUp accounts and confirming the fields that should pass from the form to the task. A helpful tip is to keep your form questions clear and aligned with how you plan to organize tasks in ClickUp. Consistent naming, structured descriptions, and using required fields in your form can make your tasks more useful the moment they're created. That's it. By finding the right template and selecting the variation you need, you're just a few clicks away from automatically generating ClickUp tasks for every new Google Forms response.